What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm finally going to be able to do a voiceover of this full video of me making fried lobster tails for the first time. Yes, your girl has never fried lobster tails before this. Comment down below if you currently fry your lobster tails. I've been seeing videos on TikTok constantly of people frying lobster tails, and I was like, shoot, I'm finna do that. I done had fried lobster tails, but I thought that was just something at bougie restaurants. I never thought your girl could be a little bourgeois and do it herself, and it actually wasn't as hard as I thought. Now, it didn't come out as pretty as I would have liked, but it was delicious. I also grabbed 2 pounds of brown shrimp at Publix, which I later regretted, which you'll see why. Next, I'm going to make me some water. Girl, how do you make water? I mean, pour me some water in my pan, because I decided that I was going to make the kids some shrimp pasta, or you can call it shrimp linguine if you like, just in case they didn't want fried shrimp or fried lobster tails. I was low-key hoping they didn't want fried lobster tails so I could eat it. Every time I boil water, I always add a little salt and a little oil. I know some of y'all say, Peach, you don't need to do that. You don't got to add no salt and oil. That's played out. Just put a couple cold drops of water. I ain't got time for that. I'm going to pour my grease and I'm going to pour my salt every time. Now, on this, I was trying to be like people I see on TikTok. They be using their little kitchen shears or regular scissors. I got these scissors from a stubby. Shout out to the Peach Patch. But it was just too complex. I said, forget that. I'm going to take my eat knives and just boom that thing on down like I normally do when I'm trying to get that lobster meat out. Now, this is tricky to do because sometimes you can overcrack it and lose pieces of the shell, which I'm gonna lose pieces of the shell of one of mine. But for the most part, it's simple. You just take your knife, boom it down like crack. You'll hear after you hear that, just pull it open gently but a little firm. You know, like how you like your man, you know, when a man grab your butt, how he grabs it like soft but firm. That's how you want to grab your lobster shell. You want to grab it soft so it don't break, but firm so it know that you're not planning to need to bust it wide open. You know what I'm saying? After that, you're going to pull that meat out like so, all gentle but tough, okay? Gentle but tough. Gentle but tough. I'm a thug. I'm tough, but I'm a woman, so I'm gentle. Yeah, like that. And then you're going to sit it on top all nice and pretty and whatnot. I know some of y'all ain't have faith. They was like, Peach, what is you doing with that knife? You don't know. You need to use you some kitchen shears. You need to use you some scissors. But look how that turned out. Ready? Go sit. And I did it again. I sped it up this time. Oh, no, I didn't. On the next one, I sped it up. But, you know, I just kept filleting these. Not filleting. What you call this? It ain't a fillet. What is it called when you crack them this way? I just kept cracking them and pulling the meat out of them. Okay, I bought 8. No, not 8, girl, you lying. I bought 6 lobster tails total from Publix. It was around $41 and some change. They were $6.99 a pound. And that's what I did. Because I got 7 people in my family, but I said, baby don't need one because he only 1 year old. Comment down below if you out here feeding your 1-year-old lobster. I do feed them lobster. But this day I was kind of on a budget. Now, this the one I overdid it. I got a little too rough. You know, sometimes you get a little too rough, you break things. So I broke the whole shell. But honestly, y'all, the one that has the whole shell gone with just that little tail piece, I think the next time I fry lobster, I will only do them that way because it was so good. That particular lobster ended up being the most tender and sweetest piece. We gave that lobster tail to Gorgeous. She bit it, and then she's like, I don't want no lobster. I don't like a lobster. Okay, so her daddy took it. He was like, I'll eat your lobster. So he took her lobster, and he bit it. He was like, oh, my God, it's so good and sweet. Babe, taste it. And then I bit it, and I was like, oh, my God, let me have it. And then he was like, no, this mine. And Gorgeous was like, I want my lobster back. And then we had to give it back to Gorgeous. Like, kids be player hating. They don't be wanting stuff till they see you with it. Like, I hate that she got that in her already. Like, girl, focus on you. Do what you like. Don't be no copycat. Don't see other people out here enjoying something and then you just want to do it when you know you really don't like it. She could have let me have that lobster tail. She be playing hating on me. But yeah, I'm doing it for all of the lobsters. After this, I put them in a bowl and I'm going to go wash them. Now, I did wash them off camera. I know y'all be like, you ain't even washed them. Yes, I did. I washed them, came back, put them on my nice new cutting board. Look at my nice new cutting board. I got my stimulus check, yeah. Like, I bought this cutting board with it. Like, yeah, that was $4.99. Y'all like that. Now my water is boiling. I'm about to go ahead and add my noodles. I think I went with linguine noodles. That's my favorite. Linguine linguine or fettuccine when I'm making a pasta. Stirred it with my wooden spoon. Shout out to the Peach Patch. A subscriber bought me these wooden spoons as well. After that, these are my brown shrimp. I go back to the noodles because they're done already. That was fast, girl. That was so fast. I couldn't even talk about my brown shrimp. We draining them. Okay, this how they came out all perfect. They not overcooked, because your girl could cook her noodle or whatever. Now, avocado oil, I gotta buy some more. I did not know I was down to my last drip, drop, drip, drippity drop of avocado oil. Yeah, then I add my parsley flakes. We do this just to make the food look pretty. You don't want to put too much. I know like I put a lot, but no sis. I come back and I stir that thing on up. And once you stir that thing on up, it look like, even and pretty like so. Comment down below if I did a good job on them noodles. I know I did. So I finally done peeled these shrimp, y'all. And then I thought about my mama. My mama normally buy shrimp like this. I normally get the bags of shrimp from Walmart. They already peeled, deveined, and stuff like that. Baby, I had to go through and devein these shrimp. I don't know if y'all call it deveining, but that's what my mama call it. It's basically removing the little poopy track. Because shrimp poop like humans. So you got to remove that. And I hated it. I hated every minute of the process. I was like, oh my God. A part of me was like, girl, when you go to Mr. and Mrs. Krabs, they still had a shell on the shrimp and you just eat the shrimp and it be having that in it. You could just leave it in there. But then I kept hearing my mama in the background saying, that's nasty. You better devein them shrimp. That is disgusting. You better get that out of there. And that voice just was in the back of my head. Comment down below if y'all mama voice just be stuck in the back of your head. You don't be wanting to do it, but you got to do it because you just hear her in your head all the time. I really don't listen to my mama when it comes to like, do your hair, walk around like ain't nobody love you. I don't be listening to her when it comes to stuff like that. But when it came to these shrimp, I just couldn't let that voice go. It just was really bothering me. And this one was so yucky. Look at this one. Watch. Is this the yucky one? Oh, no, that one wasn't that bad. This the yucky one. I was like, oh, I'm happy I kept cleaning them. So now I had to transfer the noodles into a different bowl because I want to use the same pot I boiled my noodles. And shout out to the Peach Patch. A subscriber got me this pot too. The subscribers just upgraded my whole little life. Okay, shout out to the Peach Patch. I put my oil in there and I'm going over here to season up my lobster tails and my shrimp. So the first thing I'm putting down is y'all already know your meal ain't complete. Come on. If you don't use complete. One more time. Your meal ain't complete. Come on. If you don't use complete. Hey, and then I came back with a little Old Bay. I said I came back with a little Old Bay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. Oh, babe, make your food taste like seafood. Oh, babe, make your food taste like seafood. I feel like I'm from New Orleans when I use Old Bay. Like I'm having me a real feast. Ooh, I messed up. Okay, anyways, I thought I was finna like really freestyle and bust it down. Comment down below how your girl did. I flipped them over because you want to make sure you season the front and the back. The front and the back. You got to season both sides. You got to season both sides. All right, then I came back with my Louisiana fish fry. She got Louisiana fish fry. Okay, came back with that. This why you don't want to over-season your stuff. If you like peaches, you only use complete and Old Bay. Yes, because complete don't really, it tastes like something, but it ain't too much of nothing. It just tastes like good. Like you can't really over-season with complete. And then you got to add your Old Bay. Anytime you're doing seafood, you need to have you some Old Bay. That's what make it taste like a real seafood boil. Like you really frying you some crabs. Like you really in the projects. It's the first of the month. You got your food stamp card. Everybody done bought the blue crabs. You know what I'm saying? Y'all finna fry the blue crabs and make crash along, all that. That's how Old Bay make me feel. So I gotta use it anytime I'm doing anything with seafood. Now, fish fry, at least the fish fries that I buy, they're already seasoned. So that's why I don't go over the top adding all this other crazy stuff. A little complete and a little Old Bay. Baby, that is all you need to make your seafood taste good. Trust me, I'm a big old girl. I know how to make that food taste good. I won't lead you wrong. Trust me, that's all you need. Just a little Old Bay, and a little complete. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so hyper today. I'm so happy. I put it in the grease. I'm so happy because I've been trying to do a voiceover on this video for the past 5 days. And I haven't been able to do it. Why? Because my kids be player hating on me. Even when I hide in the bathroom, and I'm sure you mothers can understand. Even when I hide in the bathroom, they come knocking on the door. Ma, don't let me lock the door. Why the door locked? What you doing in there, Ma? Like, dang. Can I live? Can I breathe? Can I go to the bathroom in peace without no kids bothering me? Like, please stop walking past your daddy. Talking about, Mama, I'm hungry. Tell your daddy I'm hungry. Tell your daddy I'm thirsty. Tell your daddy, like, leave me alone. Like, ooh, you know, y'all know how that is with kids. And I got 5 of them. For y'all watching the video for the first time, you're like, what? I got 5 of them. Yeah, it's so hard. They sleep in my bed. They follow me everywhere. But right now, I'm at Sam's Club. I'm about to go in Sam's Club, get some ribs. Because Daddy finna barbecue. Check out his channel, Every Day with Wood. He finna start being more consistent. He gave me a little pep talk. This is how my lobsters turned out, y'all. Don't they look good? He gave me a pep talk. He was like, you need to start back being more consistent on YouTube. Y'all know I took 32 days off from posting on YouTube. I ain't post no YouTube video, like a real video, for 32 days. Like, shawty, what you doing? Like, you don't want to buy your house cash no more? Like, you rich now, something? No, I'm not rich, okay? I'm just not stressed about my bills. Oh, this one came out so good. Y'all, this was crazy because I was fumbling around with the tongues for the longest time. And then I was like, oh my God, I got the little draining spoon. I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you know the name of it. I was like, I could just get that. But this one, the first time I fried them, I was scared. I was mad because they weren't coming out perfect like I seen on other people's videos where they pull them out and it's just perfect and they sitting in the shell all perfect. But these was still good. I said next time, I was trying not to get no flour on the shell, but I kept doing it. Then I thought about it. I was talking to Daddy. I said, babe, you know what? We be frying crabs. We be frying blue crabs all the time in my family. I'm a blue crab loving Southern girl out the jets. Ooh, blue crab Southern loving girl out the jets. Look how them turned out. But I was like, Daddy, if we could fry blue crabs and put, you know, fish fry on the blue crabs, why we can't put fish fry on the shells of a lobster tail? They seafood, it's a shell. So for any of y'all out there that's like worried about getting it on the shell, forget that. Go ahead and put all that seasoning, that fish fry and all that on there. Look at that. How many is that? That's 4. That's my first 4. Don't they look good? They might not be pretty, you know, like the professionals, but it's my first time. Practice make perfect. Next time, baby, it's going to look better. Watch. And then I'm battering my last 2, putting them things in the... That's when I stopped caring. You see how I'm just putting that flour on that shell? I was like, forget that. And then after that, if you put the flour, not flour, but fish fry on the shell, you could suck it and like you stuck it on your crab legs when you fry them. Now I'm putting those shrimp in some fish fry. I'm gonna fry my shrimp too, but I think I forgot to record that part because at this time I was anxious because on the other side I was trying to do so much at once. I had done put the the avocado oil along with some garlic in the pan and it was starting to pop and I was like, oh my God, I gotta hurry up. So I just rushed over there and I started on my shrimp. Oh, I did record me frying the fish. Girl, you talking too fast. You should have waited. Be patient, Peaches. You should have just waited that through. Doing voiceovers is so hard and fun because you don't be remembering what you done did. And you can't see. I mean, at least I can't see. I'm doing this all the way through because I could talk. Daddy always say that. He be like, you talk so much. Like, how can you talk that long without taking a break? I don't know. I think it's because it's my shrimp. My shrimp pasta. I added 2 cans of that ragu. Y'all know that's my favorite. After that, I came back with that sharp cheddar cheese. If y'all ain't putting cheese in y'all jar Alfredo sauce, what is you doing? I'm telling you, it take it up 10 notches. It take it up 10 notches. It's gonna make it seem like it was like homemade or something. And then this time my food turned out. Now I'm gonna do this twice. I know that because when I was just going through the editing process, I was like, girl, why you got this twice? But it was like 2 different angles. So right here we have my fried lobster tail. I put a little bit of lettuce down just for aesthetics, you know, just to make it cute. So we got some shrimp Alfredo pasta, some fried shrimp, and a fried lobster tail by Peaches or by Peach. Comment down below if it looks divine and you want to eat it. Where's the house? Is it? All right, this is my first time having a fried lobster that I cooked myself. Oh.
You don't want this? Very good.
All right, Peach Patch, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment down below how you think your girl did first time frying lobster tails. I will tell you it was good, okay? It was a good time. I would definitely do it again very, very soon. I think I'm about to put me some lobsters on the grill today. We'll see. But if you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the IKEY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.